the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that it could mean so much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past the satellites. Love me like you do, love me like you do, la la, love me like you do, touch me like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to do a messy mermaid braid. Pretty simple. I'm going to show you the easiest way possible to get this done, so stay tuned. Don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Enjoy. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm using these supplies: brush, comb, hairpins, hair jewelry, and of course the hair itself. This is the jumbo braid, and take the extensions, and you're going to proceed by making 2 braids. You're not going to make it too tight, okay, because I'm going to show you down the line how you're going to have to loosen the hair. So you're not doing anything hard. You just want to make sure there's no knot and it's not tangled. And again, this is the mermaid braid. And I want to give a shout out to my vacuum. It held me down. It was my partner for the day since I didn't have anyone else to hold my braid for me. So now that I have braided both here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen it up a little bit, because you want to make sure you're able to cover your own braid. So you're going to make it a little loose, a little messy. And how I did that is I start from the bottom of the braid, and I just take my time and open the braids up, and I work my way up to the top. So my braiding pattern is pretty simple. I braided into 2 going in the back, kind of slant to the side, as you can see. Also, I do not have the perfect part, but that's okay. That's not what we're focusing on. I braid my hair in the pattern that I want to install the braids. So as you can see, I am just going to take my ear pins and pin it down, and that's as easy as it gets. This only took me 15 minutes, about, no lie, and this is what they call the mermaid braid. I was just happening to going through my Instagram, and I saw these braids, and I looked it up, and this was the easiest way. You put it in, go to work, or you go out, come back, and you just take it right out. Isn't that easy? And I just want to take a quick time out just to thank everyone that's been watching my videos, that's been supporting me, that's been sharing my videos and giving it a thumbs up. Like I said, I do this as an hobby, but I really enjoy making videos, and just sharing you my ideas and how to save money on doing your own hair. And if you're not like those gifted hair stylist. You know, there's still cute ways that you could style your hair and it's affordable and you're saving money. So again, thank you guys. I also want you guys to talk to me. Tell me what you think about my videos. Tell me what you think about this hairdo. You know, let's talk. And again, thank you guys for sharing my videos. After I install both hair with my hairpin, bobby pin, I put both hair together in a rubber band, and now I'm going to braid it into one ponytail. After I do that, then I added my accessories. And also, guys, if you notice at the beginning of my intro, you saw that I added some Freestress just to make it a little messy, you know, and a little cute. So again, thank you for liking my video. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe. Thank you, guys.
And that's just one way of doing it. I look at it like it was a detox, like when people. I look at it like. Jesus Christ, envy. It wouldn't stop. I look at it like it's a real detox, like people are.
Fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes